A kitchen food chopper is a versatile and time-saving kitchen tool designed to simplify food preparation by quickly and efficiently chopping, dicing, mincing, or pureeing various ingredients. The device is typically compact, with a user-friendly design that fits comfortably on a kitchen countertop or can be easily stored in a cabinet. Key features, design and build. The chopper usually features a durable plastic or stainless steel body, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. It may have a non-slip base to keep it stable during use, preventing accidents and ensuring consistent chopping results. A clear or transparent bowl allows users to monitor the chopping process and gauge the size of the food pieces. The bowl often has a capacity ranging from 1 to 4 cups, depending on the model, making it suitable for small to medium food preparation tasks. Blades. The chopper is equipped with sharp, stainless steel blades that can effortlessly slice through fruits, vegetables, nuts, herbs, and more. Some models feature interchangeable blades for different chopping styles, such as coarse, fine, or spiral cuts. The blades are typically positioned in a way that ensures even chopping and minimal food wastage.